A birthday present. My birthday is on March 10th. For my birthday, I want my parents to buy me a smartphone. I already have a cell phone, but it is very old. The screen is too small, and I can't use the internet with it. On the other hand, the smartphone that I want is very convenient. I can check emails with the phone. I can also send video files to my friends with it. It is much better than my old phone. I already want a smartphone for my birthday. My favorite season. I think winter is the best season. In the winter, it is usually cold. Sometimes it is freezing. However, I like winter because it snows. When it snows, I go skiing with my family. I also enjoy eating roasted sweet potatoes in the winter. They taste really good. Best of all, winter has Christmas. At Christmas, I get many presents from my parents and friends. For the reasons, winter is my favorite season. My Sunday. I love Sundays. On Sunday, I don't go to school, so I usually get up late in the morning. In the afternoon, I often go out with my family. We usually go to a park or go shopping. Every other Sunday, I visit my grandparents. When I visit them, my grandmother cooks me a delicious meal. In the evening, I watch TV. In the evening, I watch TV or play computer games. Sunday is fun and relaxing. My favorite food. Out of all the foods, pizza is definitely my favorite. It is an Italian dish. It is made with pizza dough cheese and different toppings. You can eat pizza with cheese powder or hot sauce. I eat pizza at least once a month. I usually have it delivered at home. Sometimes I eat it at a pizzeria with my friends. My favorite type of pizza is cheese crust pizza. When I'm hungry, I can eat up to 4 slices. I always love to eat pizza. My room. I'd like to tell you about my room. I have my own room. I don't share it with my sister. My room is between my sister's room and my parents' room. In one corner of my room, there is a bed. My desk is to the right of the bed. There is a poster of my favorite TV star on the wall. I also have a closet for my clothes. My room is a bit small, but I like it. My family. Let me tell you about my family. There are 4 people in my family. I have a father, a mother, and an older brother. I am the youngest child in my family. My father is a salesman and my mother is a homemaker. My brother is a middle school student. He is 2 years older than I am. On the weekend, my family often eats out at a restaurant. I am very close to my family. I love them all. My favorite sport. I like many sports, but I like basketball the most. I play basketball with my friends every Sunday morning. We play it on the basketball court at my school. I am good at dribbling and shooting the ball. After school, I practice with my own basketball. I also enjoy watching basketball games on TV. My favorite basketball team is the Los Angeles Lakers. I love everything about basketball. My school. I'd like to tell you about my school. I go to Wild Lake Elementary School in Chicago. My school is not far from my house. I usually walk to school. My school has 4 floors. My classroom is on the 2nd floor. There is a computer lab in a library and music room in my school. My favorite place is the schoolyard. I like to play soccer there. I really like my school.